Hey everyone, imagine you're driving, and suddenly your car hesitates while shifting gears or gets stuck in one gear. You plug in an OBD-II scanner and it throws code P0946. This code is related to the hydraulic pressure solenoid which controls the fluid pressure inside your transmission. If this fails, your car could experience harsh shifts, transmission overheating, or even limp mode. In this video, I'll explain what P0946 means, where the key components are located, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is DTC P0946? DTC P0946 stands for Hydraulic Pressure Solenoid Performance or Stuck Off. This means that the solenoid responsible for controlling transmission fluid pressure is either malfunctioning or stuck in an incorrect position, preventing proper gear shifting. This means that the solenoid responsible for controlling transmission fluid pressure is either malfunctioning or stuck in an incorrect position, preventing proper gear shifting. Common symptoms of P0946. If your car has this code, you might experience harsh or delayed gear shifts. Harsh or delayed gear shifts, slipping transmission, check engine, light or transmission warning light, transmission overheating, limp mode, stuck in one gear, sensor and component location, very important. To diagnose and fix P0946, you need to locate these key components. Hydraulic pressure solenoid location, found inside the valve body of the transmission. Function, controls hydraulic pressure for smooth gear shifting. Transmission fluid pressure sensor, TFPS. Location, mounted on the transmission case near the hydraulic lines. Function, monitors transmission fluid pressure and sends data to the TCM, Transmission Control Module, TCM. Location, typically found under the dashboard or near the battery in the engine bay. Function, regulates the operation of solenoids and shifting mechanisms. Transmission oil pump. Location, inside the transmission case near the torque converter. Function, supplies hydraulic pressure to the transmission. What causes P0946?